Welcome to Aspire with the Florists. Let's ignite your aspirations together.
Ever wondered how to capture attention and skyrocket your brand in the chaotic world of social media? Well, stick around because we're diving deep into Gary Vaynerchuk's latest audiobook, Day Trading Attention: How to Actually Build Brand and Sales in the New Social Media World. In a world where the social media landscape is ever-changing, Gary Vaynerchuk, entrepreneur, investor, and internet personality, delivers his 7th business book, packed with fresh, in-depth advice on modern advertising strategies. Gary V highlights a significant trend he calls the TikTokification of social media. Platforms now prioritize content based on user interests over follower counts. This means anyone can go viral, and businesses can thrive without a massive follower base. All it takes is the right content at the right time. Gary's core message? Master the art of storytelling in areas of underpriced attention. This is where the magic happens. He uses the incredible story of Nathan Apodaca, aka Dogface, to illustrate this point. Nathan's casual TikTok video featuring a longboard ride, a Fleetwood Mac song, and ocean spray juice unexpectedly went viral, transforming both his life and the brand's fortunes. What started as a simple, authentic moment turned into a cultural phenomenon. Ocean Spray's sales soared, and Fleetwood Mac's dreams climbed the charts again. This example encapsulates Gary's belief. Impactful content doesn't have to be complex. It just needs to resonate. So how can you apply these insights to your own brand? Gary offers practical, actionable tips throughout the book. From understanding new algorithms to crafting engaging content that speaks directly to your audience's interests, Gary provides a roadmap for leveraging social media effectively. But here's the kicker: consistency is key. Gary emphasizes the importance of continuously posting content, learning from the feedback, and adapting your strategy. He believes that staying active and relevant in the social media space is essential for long-term success. Now, here's a slightly controversial take: quality versus quantity. Gary argues that quantity often trumps quality in the social media game. Why? Because more content means more opportunities to connect with your audience. What do you think? Do you agree with Gary's perspective on this? Day Trading Attention is a must-listen for anyone looking to navigate the new social media world and build a powerful, engaging brand. Want to dive deeper? Download the audiobook for free with an Audible trial. Check the link in the description and start transforming your brand today. Here's a sneak peek of Gary V himself narrating Day Trading Attention. Don't miss out.
Harper Business and Harper Audio present Day Trading Attention: How to Actually Build Brand and Sales in the New Social Media World by Gary Vaynerchuk. This is the author. A note before we begin: don't forget to download the accompanying enhancement PDF from your audiobook provider. It contains QR codes that will link to social media posts discussed in this book, a bibliography, and more, and will be referred to throughout as the enhancement. This book is dedicated to the 1% that make consumer-centric decisions versus the 99% that make decisions based on boardroom politics. Author's note: the feedback I'll provide on various pieces of content in this book are the opinions of myself and my team, based on our experience. I cannot claim any knowledge of any business's agenda or original intent. I am just using it as an opportunity to paint a clearer picture for all of you. Introduction. Nathan Apodaca unintentionally made one of the greatest modern advertisements. Nathan, known as Dogface on the internet, was a regular guy working at a potato factory in Idaho when he decided to take his longboard to work one day. As he was cruising down the side of the road on his way to the factory, he pulled out his phone and filmed himself on the front-facing camera. He recorded a short video of himself enjoying the vibes, just lip-syncing the lyrics to a Fleetwood Mac song that he had been playing in the background and taking a sip out of his jug of Ocean Spray cran raspberry juice. Nathan didn't think much of it. Eventually, right before he got into work, he casually posted the clip on TikTok. Later that day, he was stunned to see that the video had over 2 million views. It continued to go viral and amassed millions more views. Around 90 million views at the time of this audio recording. Soon after, Nathan's whole life changed. He started getting approached by brands for sponsorship deals. He got interviewed by major media outlets. He later released a song with Snoop Dogg and had an acting debut in a television show. At the time of this recording, he has 7.5 million followers on TikTok, 2.5 million followers on Instagram, and 276,000 subscribers on YouTube. The video also dramatically impacted Ocean Spray's business. The content made the brand relevant, not only to younger audiences that you might think is the platform's core demographic, but also to the 30, 40, and 50-year-olds who consume TikTok at scale today. Their juice was flying off the shelves at retail locations across the US. That's not all. The song Dreams by Fleetwood Mac, which was playing in the background of the video, hit the top of the iTunes charts, even though the song itself was originally released in 1977. The craziest part? Nathan almost didn't post the video. He said in an interview with Big Boy's Neighborhood, I was like, man, maybe I shouldn't post it. I looked at it again and I was like, okay, remember what Gary Vee says all the time? Post out content. Let's get it out there. It doesn't matter if I don't think it's good. Somebody out there wants to see. I just want to go off script right here for everyone real quick and tell you that, as you can imagine, this makes me feel tremendous. As many of you who are listening to this book know, I'm a big proponent of content. We're going to break it down heavy in this book, but this is the first time I want to break out of the reading of the book and just say, first of all, thank you for listening. I'm super hyped to be reading this for you. And I think that this is a book that has a lot of potential. Jab, 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 Right Hook was a book that I came out with that I know impacted a lot of you. In a lot of ways, this was the follow-up to this book. As a matter of fact, this book originally was called Jab, 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 Left Hook. And I'm excited to be here. And I also want to say thank you to Nathan for giving me that shout out. It's nice to know that the positive impact's helping people. Now back to the book. This Ocean Spray story is just one of the many examples that capture what modern advertising looks like. There are countless brands, small businesses, service providers, influencers, and content creators that have seen life-changing sales numbers from content.
Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Which of Gary's strategies do you plan to implement? Let's get the conversation started. Hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on being creative.
Thank you for tuning in at Aspire with the Florises. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.